Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.2 question number 9. What it is given, you see A equal to 3, 7, 2, 5. B equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. Verify that AB, the whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse, right? First you should, what are the things we need, that and all you have to find it first. What we need first, the left hand side AB you want, that is A into B, right? LHS first. A into B equal to, what it is, what is the given matrix A? 3, 7, 2, 5. What is your B? 6, 8, 7, 9. First row, first column. 3 6 are 18 plus 7 7 are 49. First row, second column. 3 8 are 24 plus 9 7 are 63. You have to be thorough with the tables, right? 6 2s are 12 plus 5 7s are 35. 8 2s are 16 plus 9 5s are 45. Then what is the result you arrive here? 18 plus 49. What it is? 18 plus 49. 67. Next 87. This one. What it is? What 47. Here it becomes 61. Got it, children? This is your AB. What we need in the left, AB, the whole inverse. Inverse means what are the things we need? Determinant AB we need, right? First, after that, adjoint of AB. Determinant AB equal to determinant 67, 87, 47, 61 equal to. You have to multiply 67 into 61. 67 into 61. 7, 6. 42, 4. 36, 40. So your answer is 4087. 4087 minus product of main diagonal minus product of sub diagonal, right? 87, 47, 9, 4, 56, 60, 28, 2, 32, 34, right? What is your result here? 9804, right? 4089, which is equal to minus 2, not equal to 0. If the determinant not equal to 0, only you can find the inverse, right? Determinant not equal to 0, therefore AB the whole inverse exists. Got it, children? Now, adjoint of AB you want to find. It is easy in 2 by 2, I told you, right? Adjoint of AB. What is adjoint of AB? You have to interchange the main diagonal entry. What is the main diagonal entry you have? See, what is your A? Oh, sorry, what is your AB? You see 67. You have to change the main diagonal entry. Then change the symbol of sub-diagonal entry. The positive become negative, the negative become positive. That is the logic, right? Now, AB equal to, AB the whole inverse equal to, AB the whole inverse equal to 1 by determinant AB into adj AB, right? Then AB the whole inverse equal to 1 by determinant AB is what? Minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87 minus 47 minus, sorry, 67. Got it? This is where left hand side. The same thing I want to get it in the right side. Right? Sorry, children. AB the whole inverse, use minus and multiply the bracket. Right? AB the whole LHS equal to, that is AB the whole inverse equal to 1 by 2 into minus 61 plus 87 plus 47 minus 67. Now you come to the RHS. First we want to find what is B inverse, right? What is B inverse means what are the things you need? 1 by determinant B into H B, right? To find. To find B inverse and A inverse. Got it? First, B inverse equal to 1 by determinant B into HB. Right? What is determinant B? Determinant B equal to determinant 6, 8, 7, 9. 9 6 are 54 minus 8 7 are 56 minus 2 not equal to 0. Therefore, B inverse exists. Right? Now, at B it is easy. 2 by 2. Right? Change the main diagonal entry and change the symbol of sub-diagonal entries. Now, B inverse equal to B inverse equal to minus 1 by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 8, 7 minus 6. Now we will pass on to A inverse, right? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into HA, right? First you should find out what is determinant A. What is determinant A? 3, 7, 2, 5. 15 minus 14. Product of main diagonal minus product of sub-diagonal. Here also determinant not equal to 0. A inverse exists. Right? If determinant not equal to 0 means the given matrix is non-singular. Right? Now what is RGA? What is your RGA? RGA equal to, change the main diagonal entry, change the symbol of sub-diagonal entry. A inverse equal to 1 by 1 into 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. Got it? Now we are going to multiply B inverse into A inverse. Right? What is your B inverse? B inverse equal to 1 by 2 into, what is your B inverse, student? What is your B inverse? You see at the top and say, what is your B inverse? 9, sorry, minus 9, 8, 7 minus 8 into 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into first row, first column, minus 45 minus 16, 63, 63 plus 24. Next, 35 plus 12. Next, minus 49 minus 18. In what you arrive? 1 by 2 into minus 61, minus 61, 87, 47, minus 67. Got it? In the B inverse into A inverse. Sorry children, B inverse into A inverse. Right? Now your LHS equal to RHS. Right? LHS equal to RHS. Hence, verified. If you want, I will show you the previous also. Right? See here, B inverse A inverse equal to what you arrive? 1 by 2 into minus 61, 87, 47, minus 67. The same we arrived in AB, the whole inverse or not, you have to check. Got it? Minus 61. See, minus 61. Sorry, minus 61. 87, 47, minus 61. The same we arrived, right? Hence, verified. Now I'm going to move to question number 10. What it is? Question number 10. Find lambda. Find lambda if the matrix has no inverse. If the matrix has no inverse means what does it mean? The determinant equal to 0. Right? If the given matrix has no inverse means what it is? The determinant value is 0. If the matrix, if the matrix 1, 1, 3, 2, lambda 4, 9, 7, 11 has no inverse. Got it? If the given matrix has no inverse means it represents it is singular, the determinant value is equal to 0. Since the matrix has, since the matrix has no inverse, that means A is singular, A is singular, which implies determinant A equal to 0. You have to take the given matrix. Let A equal to 1, 1, 3, 2, lambda 4, 9, 7, 11. Got it, children? The given matrix has no inverse means the determinant value is not equal to 0. Question number what? 10. Now determinant A equal to 0. Determinant 1, 1, 3, 2, lambda 4, 9, 7, 11 equal to 0. Now we have to select the element 1. Determinant what it is? Lambda 4, 7, 11. Once if you select this element, that particular row and column should be deleted. The next term is negative 1 into. That means first row, second column should be deleted. Then what should be the rest? 2, 4, 9, 11 plus 3 into. First row, third column should be deleted. The rest of the entry 2 lambda 9, 7 equal to 0. Right? 11 lambda minus 28 minus 22 minus 36 plus 3 into 14 minus 9 lambda equal to 0. Right? Now we are going to group the terms. numbers alone, separate the variables. 11 lambda minus 28, 22 minus 36, that means minus 14. Minus into minus plus 14 plus 42 minus 27 lambda equal to 0. Right? What is, now you have to match these two, right? Minus 27 lambda plus 11 lambda. How much you will get? Minus 16 lambda. Now you see minus 14, right? 42 minus 14. How much you will get? Plus 28. Got it? 42. Sorry, minus 14 plus 42. 42 minus 14. Then it becomes 28 equal to 0. Minus 16 lambda equal to minus 28. Lambda equal to 28 by 16, which is equal to what? 7 by 4. Lambda equal to what value you are at? 7 by 4. Therefore, lambda equal to 7 by 4. Now we are going to move to question number 11. Right? What it is given in question number 11? Anyone you read? If x is equal to y is equal to. Right? Question number 11. X is equal to matrix 8 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 1 2 10 minus 1 minus 4. Now you see y equal to 2 1 minus 1 0 2 1 5 p q. Find PQ, find PQ if y equal to x, if y equal to x, right? Sorry, if y equal to x inverse, right? Given y is equal to x inverse. Here you want to multiply by x, then only you can get the value of p and q, right? Now, given y is equal to x inverse, pre-multiply by x on both the sides. Pre-multiply by x on both the sides. Got it? Now how it becomes? Xy equal to x into x inverse. Right? X into x inverse is nothing but capital I. X inverse, x into x inverse is nothing but identity. Right? Identity means what? Here the given matrix is 3 by 3. So your identity is also 3 by 3 matrix. That you keep it in your mind, children. Right. What is your x? You have to multiply. 8 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 1 2 10 minus 1 minus 4 into. What is your y? 2 1 minus 1 0 2 1 5 PQ equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. I told you if a given matrix is 3 by 3, your identity is also 3 by 3. Identity matrix depend upon the given matrix. Now, first row, first column. What it is? 16 minus 0 minus 15. Got it? Next, first row second column. 8 minus 2 minus 3p. So first row, third column, minus 8 minus 1 minus 3q. Got it, children? Say yes or no? Yes. Now minus 10 plus 0 plus 10. Now second row for second column. What can you get? Minus 5 plus 2 plus 2p. Second row, third column. 5 plus 1 plus 2q. You have to be very careful while multiplying the matrix. Right? Now, which is equal. Next, third row, third column. Oh, sorry, third row, first column. 20 minus 0 minus 20. Got it, children? Next, 10 minus 2 minus 4p. Third row, second column. Next, third row, third column. Minus 10 minus 1 minus 4q equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Got it? They are expecting to find the value of p and q. Right? Say yes or no. Say yes or no, children. Easily you can equate the matrix and find the value. Right? See, you have to simplify first. 1 0 0. Here 6 minus 3p. Right? 1 minute. I will bring the thing down. Then only it is easy. Right? Minus 9 minus 3q. Minus 9 minus 9 minus 9 minus 3q. Here minus 5 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2p. 6 plus 2p. 6 plus 2p. Here it becomes 0. Third row, first element is 0. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 4p minus 11 minus 4q equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Got it, children? Now you are going to equate, right? Because the matrices are equal, corresponding entries you can equate and get the answer. Equating the corresponding entry. Here I am going to take A12, the same A12, right? 6 minus 3p equal to 0 minus 9 minus 3q equal to 0. Whatever you like, you should take. You should reach the same answer, right? 3p equal to 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So p equal to 2. Got it, children? Next. Minus 3q equal to 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So q equal to minus 3. Q equal to minus 3. If you want, you should take this also. 8 minus 4p equal to 0. You will get p equal to 2. Minus 11 minus 4q equal to 1. Then 4q minus 4q equal to 12. Again q value is minus 3. Whatever it is, you will arrive the same answer as p equal to 2 and q equal to minus 3. One thing you have to listen carefully, the corresponding entry only you can equate, right? Say yes or no. You have to be go through the format, children. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. I will explain. Right? Thank you, children. Tomorrow I will continue.